In this video, we are going to download and install Python and code editor. So go to browser and type download Python. Go to www.python.org. You can download the latest version 3.11.1 from here for Windows. For Mac user, they can download Python from this link. Once you download that, you need to open that setup and make sure you check both the box and click install now. Once installation is complete, click on close button. To download PyCharm, go to jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. You can download community version from here for Windows. Mac user can download PyCharm from this link. Once you download that, click on next, and make sure you check all the boxes and click on next and click on install button to install PyCharm in your computer. To install VS Code in our computer, go to browser and search for download VS Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. You can download VS Code for Windows from this link, and Mac user can download VS Code from this link. Once you download that, you need to open that setup, accept the agreement, and click on next. Make sure you check all the 4 boxes and click on next and click on install to install the VS Code in your computer. This is all you need to get started. I will see you in the next video.